back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking. We are going to be doing cook with me video. But before I start cooking, I'm going to be unboxing this African food my mother brought from Nigeria. My mom came to visit us, so she brought so many food for us. So we are going to be unboxing it together. So these are dried leaf. I think this one is bitter leaf. Yes, this bitter leaf. Yeah, this one is also bitter leaf. I also think this one is scent leaf. Oh, this scent leaf, dried scent leaf. She dried all of them. Yeah. And this is ugu leaf, pumpkin. Yeah, she also dried it. She washed and dried all of them. Yes, this one is crayfish. Yeah, some crayfish. Wow. She also brought some dried bobozi for African salad. Let's see what is in here. These are some dried streams. We also have some dried fish here. Look at how many it is. So many. What is this? Let's see what is in here. So we also have ogbono. Look at how many it is. It's going to last us for a very long time. Let's see. Okay, I think this shea butter. Yeah, can perceive the odor. Let me just, yeah, let me see it. So, yeah, shea butter. We also have here some stockfish. Yeah. We have melon seed. Egusi. Oh, God bless you, mommy. Look at how much egusi my mom brought. So many. Hey, this one will last us for 1 year. It's so many. We also have here some dried pepper. We also have here some corn, dried corn, to make akamu. Yeah. Yeah, this is the last. So let me open this one and see what is inside. Okay. We have some banga spice, pepper soup spice, some dawa dawa, and this one is a calabash nutmeg, and some potash account, and a banga leaf, banga soup leaf. Yeah, that is everything, guys. Yeah, that's everything. So much food. At least this food will last us for maybe 1 year. It is so much. God bless my mom for me. So I'm going to be making some banga soup and granite soup. I've already cooked some goat meat and abodi here. So I'm going to be sharing it into these 2 pots, because in one pot I will be making banga soup, and in the other one I will be making some groundnut soup. Thank you so much, guys, for spending your time with me today in my kitchen. Thank you so much. I love and I appreciate you guys so much. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe and turn on your notification bell that anytime I upload a new video, that you will be the first to be notified. Please don't forget to like this video, leave your comment in the comment section below, share to your family and loved ones. Thank you so much. God bless you all and see you in my next video. Bye.